Hi, this is Melanie. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Agave attenuata, also known as the foxtail agave. It's native to Mexico and has silver pale green leaves that can grow up to 4 feet tall and about 6 to 8 feet wide. The flowers are yellow-green and they appear when this plant is about 14 to 15 years old. Now the agaves are great as accent plants or in the landscape. When the flower appears, the plant will die, but you can propagate this plant by many offsets. It's deer resistant. Again, as I said, it's great for landscapes and Mediterranean or succulent gardens, or you can plant this in a nice container and make it a signature plant. You water once a week, and it's great for full sun or shade. It tolerates temperature between 25 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me show you a little bit more about this plant. You can see where the flower will appear right in the center, and it's a beautiful tall flower. Again, don't worry, you'll have many babies to replace the main plant. Thank you for watching.